Today is the day that it's finally not raining, and we're about to finally go get some things done, or try to anyway, while we have a nice day that we can be outside without getting totally drenched. See, this is the problem. Like, I gotta constantly rearrange things. I've got sleep mode or chill mode when everything is up like this. And then I've got drive mode. Alright, once I get where I'm going, I'll tell you guys about this. First we gotta take our trash to a gas station. We'll be in a new city in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I made it to my storage unit. I'm so excited to see if this works, because if this works, I'm gonna be so fucking happy. So much happier. Guess we gotta take everything apart. Sorry for the road noise. That's just where my storage unit happens to be. Trying these out for the first time. And you can actually have two solar panels plugged in at the same time. So I think that's pretty cool. It was a little bit more sunny earlier, but any wattage is better than none. So everything is out. Okay. So what the plan is to see if I even fit through here first. And if we do, we're gonna use our jackery to cut up some plywood and stuff. I guess it's gonna be, I don't know, because with the platform added on and the blankets and whatnot, that's like another 2 to 4 inches, maybe even more. So I mean, you know what? I'd be stuck. I wouldn't be able to turn on my side, but I would be able to sleep flat, or on my stomach. I'd be stuck sleeping on either one of these two ways. Is it worth having more space to chill and lounge? I think so. I think so for sure. I mean, this isn't so bad. I guess I'll get used to it. If I do want to sleep on my side, I could kind of come up here and curl up into like a ball, which I kind of do sometimes when I'm cold anyway. Alright, let's measure the length and the width, and let's go get some supplies at Lowe's. There's only one way to find out. Only one way. And that's to try. Okay, since I could leave my stuff unattended while I go to the hardware store, I had to just shove it all in here for now. This car fits so much more than you would think. It's just everything has its specific perfect place, you know? Okay. My seat is like pushed forward a little bit, but it's only temporary. I had to go buy a burrito to pay myself for my own labor, because I feel like this is going to be an all-day thing. When I had my trailer and I was paying for a $700 space, my trailer park was actually just right over there. Those days are done. Okay, these are the two rough cuts. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna rope it to the roof. I just fucking... My bad. Bam. Good as new. It seems solid, so as long as no cops pull me over. Fuck it. Fuck it. Such a beautiful sky, truly. You gotta cut this a little bit shorter so that I can get my seat back. Maybe don't do what I'm doing and use your jackery as a, or your power station as a table for sawing. But hey, it's gonna fucking work, so whatever works. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. That's a game changer, being able to use power tools wherever I want. Alright, let's get this baby in, and then let's get the legs on it. And then get this one out. To steal the females from this one. That's okay. Just need 3. Whew. Alright. I will show you guys the finished product. Anyway, I'm back in Mount Baker, Snoqualmie National Forest. Sorry for the rough transition. It's about 48 hours later. Going back to one of my favorite spots. And then I am really excited to show you guys the new layout because it is so much better. It is so much nicer. And I'm really happy with it. Alright, here it is. This is our spot. Well, I gotta say, this is a lot more comfortable. When I first started going dispersed camping, this was actually one of the first places I found. And it's just so beautiful. So I'm gonna be here for the next 5 days. Which was very much needed. But we got the new layout in. This is pretty much the finished product. We got the bed through here, through the trunk. I got all my blankets on top, so I'll show you my bed when it's made. There's still like one or two things I gotta shift around, but it's not nearly as many. And I also don't have to put that away when I'm done cooking. It's just right there. So that is so much more comfortable and so much nicer. And it's a lot better with the fan going out the window. A lot more ventilation for cooking now. So I'm hoping that'll help with the condensation in the like very, very cold months where it's like 26, 30 degrees. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself. I got this all in and it got my calendar hanging up, got my damp red bag, one here, one on the other side here. And then we got these silica gel packets, which are basically giant silica gel packets for condensation. One on that side, one on that side. And then I got two underneath the bed. The bed platform. But this is super comfortable. I'm really proud of myself. This isn't like the finished product because I do want to build like a shelf dresser cubby area, like countertop area too, to have everything so it's not on top of each other and I can fit more things. So I think I have enough wood from the rough cuts to finish that. It's just a matter of doing it. And that giant piece of hardwood, plywood, whatever it's called, it only costs like $40. I think I'm gonna do another tour and go into specific details about how I manage to use the bathroom in here, how I manage to have every possible thing I need within this tiny space, and show you exactly where I put everything that's necessary to live out of your car. Alright, so this is how I get into the bed. We got the heating pad going on the jackery. I've got all my window covers up. And the back curtain tucked under the headliner. I do have, when it gets colder, it's going to get down to like 39 degrees tonight. I checked the weather before I left since I knew I was going to have phone. I knew I wasn't going to have phone service. And I have an extra one of those for the back. Just when it gets cold. But For now, this works. Gotta put my knees up. Then second knee. Alright. Ooh, that's bright. Well, that's pretty much it. I really feel so much better. So much better. Alright, well, good night, everyone. I think those might be all driftwood from the storm. They're so cute and tiny. Look at this one. The sun's coming up a little bit now. So pretty. It's so pretty. This is crazy. Usually this is all underwater. That's where we were sitting right up there.